Hi everyone, Dr. Joanne here. I am a mind-body doctor and a mindset coach, and I have a new webinar I want to invite you to watch. It's called How to Use Your Mind to Heal Your Body and Your Relationships. So, this is for the person who is experiencing emotional stress, physical symptoms, and/or relationship issues, and who isn't experiencing those things. It's also for someone who's ready to consider the possibility that their stress, their symptoms, and their issues have messages for them. And it's also for the person who is ready to consider the possibility that they have more power and control than they previously thought. And if you're not interested in continuing taking additional product after product, this is also right for you. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, there is a link to get instant access to this webinar in the description. And also I'll put it down in the first comment. So hope to see you in the video. Take care.